In today's video, we'll take you through the top 10 morning foods you should eat every day. Foods that are easy to prepare, delicious, and backed by science to improve your health. Breakfast, often called the most important meal of the day, isn't just a saying. What you choose to eat each morning can shape your energy levels, mood, and even how well you focus. But not all breakfasts are created equal. So what exactly should you eat to fuel a strong start? So grab your cup of coffee or tea and let's get into it. 1. Eggs. Let's begin with a classic, eggs. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are a breakfast powerhouse. They're rich in high-quality protein and healthy fats, which help keep you full longer and reduce cravings throughout the day. Studies even show that eating eggs for breakfast may help reduce total daily calorie intake. Eggs also contain choline, a key nutrient for brain development and liver function, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for your eyes. Pair them with whole grain toast or sautéed veggies for a complete, satisfying meal that fuels both your body and brain. 2. Whole wheat toast. Craving something crunchy? Try whole wheat toast. Unlike white bread, whole wheat contains more fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, helping to regulate blood sugar and keep you energized. Toasting it lowers the glycemic index, which means slower sugar release into the bloodstream. It's also incredibly versatile. Top it with avocado, nut butter, eggs, or hummus. Great for busy mornings when you need something fast, filling, and functional. 3. Bananas. The humble banana. Cheap, portable, and full of benefits. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. They also contain resistant starch, which improves digestion and supports gut health. Slice them onto toast with peanut butter, blend into smoothies, or just grab one on your way out the door. They're also great for curbing sugar cravings naturally. 4. Berries. Looking for something sweet and refreshing? Add berries to your breakfast routine. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They help lower inflammation, support heart health, and keep your digestive system happy. Berries also promote fullness while being low in calories. Toss them into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or just enjoy a handful as a side. Pro tip: frozen berries are just as nutritious, just watch out for added sugars. 5. Oatmeal. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly nutritious. A single cup of cooked oats provides around 13 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and is packed with essential minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium. But what makes oatmeal especially special is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, known to lower LDL or bad cholesterol. Oats also keep you full for hours, making it easier to avoid mid-morning snacking. Want to boost its benefits? Add some cinnamon, almond butter, and berries, or even a spoonful of flaxseed. Just avoid instant packets loaded with added sugars. 6th, Greek yogurt. Creamy, tangy, and packed with protein, Greek yogurt is a breakfast winner. It also contains calcium and probiotics that support your gut microbiome and immune system. A study even found that regular yogurt eaters had better diet quality and nutrient intake. Top it with fruit, seeds, or honey, and you've got a filling, nutritious bowl that satisfies and energizes. Choose plain, unsweetened versions to avoid hidden sugars. 7. Protein shakes. Short on time, a protein shake can be a quick, nutritious fix. Using a high-quality protein powder, you can blend up a shake with your favorite fruits, leafy greens, seeds, and milk, dairy, or plant-based. Protein helps you stay full, supports muscle maintenance, and can even aid in weight loss by reducing appetite. Look for clean powders without added sugar, artificial flavors, or fillers. Bonus: shakes are perfect post-workout or on the go. 8. Flaxseed. Despite their tiny size, flax seeds are nutritional giants. They're one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and protect your heart. They also provide fiber, protein, and minerals like magnesium and selenium. Blend them into your smoothies, sprinkle them over your oatmeal, or mix them into yogurt. And if you're aiming for weight loss, try flaxseed with Greek yogurt for a metabolism-boosting combo. 9. Nuts and nut butter. Next are nuts and nut butters: almonds, walnuts, cashews, peanut butter, and almond butter. These are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based protein, which together keep hunger at bay and improve heart health. They're also high in antioxidants, fighting off free radicals and supporting cell repair. Add a handful of nuts to your oatmeal or smoothie, or spread nut butter on toast or fruit. Just keep portions moderate and choose versions without added sugar or hydrogenated oils. 10. Coffee. Yes, coffee makes the list, but not just because it wakes you up. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. According to the American Diabetes Association, regular coffee consumption may lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. However, what you add to your coffee matters. Skip the sugar and heavy cream. Try using a splash of unsweetened almond or oat milk instead for a healthier start to your day. So, there you have it. 10 nutrient-dense morning foods that are not only easy to make but can also transform your energy, mood, and health over time. Thanks for watching. Which of these will you add to your breakfast tomorrow? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.